How to use the Botim app. First, download Botim. Install Botim from the App Store or Google Play and open it. And then create your account. Enter your mobile phone number and verify it with the SMS code. Botim requires an active mobile number and doesn't support VoIP or virtual numbers. Third, chat with someone. So in Botim, we can enable contacts. Once you do that, Botim is gonna store all of your contacts here. You can click start a call and then select who you want to call, message or video call. You can also do that from calls, where you can see the history of all of your calls, group calls, missed calls, and here you have chats. You can start a new chat with somebody. And what you would notice here is that Botim has this little AI integration where you can ask it anything. And then the last feature is Botim Wallet. If wallet is available for your account, and it will be available only if your phone number is from the Emirates, and if you have a valid Emirate ID, you can sign up for money. The current setup process is you go to Me, Wallet, agree to terms, create 6-digit payment password, and then verify your identity by scanning your face and scanning your ID. Now, depending on your account and country, Botim's payment features can include sending and receiving money, wallet-to-wallet transfers, bank transfers, withdrawals, bill payments, and international transfers. And you will notice this Botim VIP today. The main benefit of Botim VIP is ad-free Botim experience and other premium benefits that Botim may make available to VIP members. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.